In today's video, I'll show you a creative way to bend an object in Canva. While Canva doesn't have a direct bend feature, you can achieve this effect using the Liquify tool. Let's dive in. Before we begin, this technique works perfectly for creating eye-catching social media graphics, unique logo designs, or adding artistic flair to any project. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Canva user, you'll find this method incredibly useful and easy to follow. First, open your Canva project and select the image or object you want to bend. With your object selected, click on the Edit button at the top of the screen to access Canva's full suite of adjustment tools. Pro tip: this method works best with simple shapes, text converted to images, or PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You can also apply this effect to photos, but the results are more dramatic with solid objects and graphics. Next, go to the App section and choose Liquify. This tool allows you to distort portions of your image creatively within Electrify. Select the wobble effect here. Adjust the wobble amount to its maximum for a pronounced bend, and reduce the wobble scale to smooth out the effect and avoid glitches. If you're having trouble finding the Liquify tool, make sure you're using Canva Pro or the free version with app access. The Liquify tool is one of the hidden gems in Canva that many users don't know about, but it opens up countless creative possibilities for your designs. Once you're happy with the bend, click Save Your Object. Now has a unique bending effect. Embed it right into your Canva project, and that's it. Remember, you can always go back and readjust the settings if you want to modify the bend effect later. The beauty of this technique is that it's completely non-destructive to your original design elements. With this simple workaround, you can add dynamic and creative curves to your designs, making them stand out. Play around with different settings to see what fun effects you can create. This bending effect is perfect for creating wavy text, curved banners, flowing ribbons, or abstract art pieces. You can combine multiple bent objects to create complex layered designs that look professionally crafted. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tricks, and keep experimenting. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below telling me what you'd like to bend next, or share your creations with me on social media. I love seeing what you all come up with. Stay tuned for more Canva tutorials coming your way. And remember, the only limit is your imagination.